everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Passioknit Kelsie and welcome to this very passionate vlog. Today, what are we doing today? Let's see. We're gonna be crocheting, of course. I want to continue working on our orders in order that they were ordered. So we need to finish the kelp market bag. Yes, I started working on it, but like just barely while I was doing some computer work and whatnot, so I didn't film it, but here it is. You know, I've made little progress, so I'm hoping that we can get this done today. This morning I spent some time just like picking up around my house, cleaning a little bit because my mom is planning to come over later, so we have a few hours right now to work on this and do whatever else we're gonna do, and then yeah, I guess just like wait until my mom comes over. It is chilly today. Last night we had a freeze warning. It got like below freezing last night, I guess. It's 58 degrees. So I'm cold. But I'm also happy that like I get to start wearing my hoodies now because they're so comfy. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. We're gonna work on this and hopefully finish it today, but who knows? I've got plans, but stick around to find out. Hello, it's been about 2 hours. I think we're making great progress on our bag so far. I finished up the first skein, just tied on the second skein, and yeah, I'm still working on it. I'm gonna take a little break for lunch. For lunch today we're, don't be mad, we're having a bowl of Captain Crunch. So, I know I also had a pickle. I think we got
we got Montreal, I think. Was that on there?
No, we didn't get Montreal.
Yeah. That wasn't on there.
Yeah, right? Crazy. Hello vlog. We're fancy. We're fancy right now. I am about to go to a luncheon, a women's luncheon of sorts. I'm not even totally sure, but I'm about to go to that, and I am gonna be bringing this at least in the car. I don't know if I'm gonna bring it inside, but I wanna finish this today, okay? I'm 2 rows in on the straps. I only need to do 3 more, so it's not gonna be a big hassle to finish this. We're definitely gonna finish it today. After the luncheon, when I get home, we will keep working on orders, and that's the plan, so.
And he was like, yeah, let's grab coffee. And I was like, yes, let's do it. And I remember, like, I don't remember most of it, but I do remember him, like, what do they call it? Like the rejection therapy, where it's just like getting used to that. And like, that's why these other people are so used to going on first dates with him, because that's...
Is that Santa's sleigh?
Yeah!
Oh, nice. Oh, I knew it.
For this...
Hi. So, yesterday I went to the luncheon and it was pretty busy. Well, it wasn't busy. I don't know. It was a thing. It was a social thing. When I got home, I was tired. I changed. I put on sweatpants and a sweatshirt because after wearing fancy for, I don't know, 3 hours or whatever, I have to spend the rest of the day in sweatpants because I deserve it. And yeah, I came home and I was like, I'm gonna work. And then Caesar was streaming, so I laid down on his couch. I like went into his room, I said hi to stream, and then I got my little bag and I brought my yarn with me and I sat down on his couch, and then I fell asleep. I fell asleep because I was sleepy. And then the rest of the night I was just like sleepy. I was just a sleepy little gal. So I did work, I crocheted a bit, but I don't think I did much talking to the camera. I filmed a little bit, whatever you just saw. But anyway, we finished our kelp bag. It's right here. So that polishes off the order that we were working on. The rest of it is back there. Let's grab it. Ta-da! Here it is. We have a swimming pool bag, a teal scrunchie, a black scrunchie, and a dark crimson scrunchie. So all of these need to be packed together. This morning, we just got up and got ready, so I think we're gonna go out and grab a coffee and like a little breakfast thingy from the coffee shop. But first, I wanna pack this up so that I can drop it off at the post office and get it shipped. I think I have like 4 other packages that I need to drop off as well, so that will be a good opportunity. And yeah, I'm hoping to get some work done today, so join me. Join me. It's not the beginning of the vlog. You're already here. Let's continue joining each other on this journey. Can I fit all of this in this bag? I think we can, probably. Boom. We're done. We're off to the post office and to get some coffee. Guys, I just bought this. Okay, great find. And my car doesn't have a CD player. My computer doesn't even have a CD slot.
Yeah. CDs are obsolete.
No.
It's like saying, oh, my computer doesn't have a floppy disk drive.
Job well done. Okay, I'm home and I'm ready to get some work done. We have a lot of scrunchie orders, so why don't we spend some time making some scrunchies, okay? I took the liberty of going through my orders and writing down all the colors that we need to make. We have a lot of like one of each color, so yeah, anyway, I have this little list right here. I'm going to gather those, set them on my desk, get all set up and ready, and then we'll sit here and crank them out. Okay, I think I'm pretty well set up. I have them all lined up over here. I need about 1 of each of these. Some of them I need 2. I think I need 2 of the sterling blue over here and 2 watercress, probably. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 colors lined up. I need to make 1 of each of them, 2 watercress, 2 sterling blue. So I think this is like a good amount to start with. Think we can finish all of these today? No problem. And then if I get through all of these, I will put them back and rotate in some new colors. Because after that, we need to make plum, midnight sea, blue crush, hot hot pink. I got a whole list. So yeah, I'm gonna start with these. Hello, it's been a minute. I actually decided to go live on my YouTube channel. Hello, you guys, your YouTube. And I made a bunch of scrunchies on that live, as you saw. So here's what we've got going on. I am lining up our scrunchies by order. So this is an order, that's done. This is an order, that's done. This order is done, and this order needs 3 more scrunchies, I believe, which are right over here. But so far, we're doing great on the scrunchies. Some of those came out of the basket, but I did indeed make 12 of them on the live stream. So we're doing good. I'm gonna keep making scrunchies. At some point, I'm gonna stop and have some dinner. It's only 6:30 right now, so we can definitely keep making scrunchies into the night. I think we can get some orders done. We'll pack them all up tomorrow. It's gonna be super exciting, and I guess we'll go to the post office again. On my live stream, we were kind of chatting, and a couple people suggested that I should maybe close my custom orders for a little bit. Some people were saying I should do it now. Some people said I should close it like 1 week every month or so. And I think that that's like a good idea. It kind of like rolled around. The topic rolled up because somebody had asked, do you prefer selling custom order items? Like they order it, I make it, and then I send it to them. Or do you like making pre-made stock and then putting it up for sale and then shipping it whenever someone buys it, you know? The difference being custom is like usually not made. Like I have all of these orders, they're sitting here and they're waiting because I haven't made them yet. And then pre-made items are obviously pre-made and they are just here, they're stocked, they're ready, and they're waiting to be purchased. And I had answered that I like doing pre-made items better, but custom order is good for money. I usually get a lot more orders whenever I'm doing customs, I think. I don't actually know, I haven't really done any math. But yeah, anyway, someone in chat suggested I turn them off for a little bit. I think that's a good idea. I feel like my website stock is a little bit empty right now. Honestly, I feel like it's always a little bit empty, which is good because that means I'm selling things, but you know, a full website just looks so much better than an empty one, so I kind of want to make some pre-made stock items. Especially since it's getting cold, I would love to start making things like hats and scarves and cowls and, I don't know, other cold weather things. So yeah, maybe we'll do that for like the last week of October. Maybe we'll turn off our custom orders and I'm gonna make whatever I want. And then I'll put it all up for sale. I would like to make a lot of things and at least get stock like flowing so that on Black Friday, maybe I can do another sale, because my Black Friday sale last year went really well. I'd like to do another one. Anyway, I'm just thinking about that right now. Also, after the live stream ended, I went and sat in Caesar's room because he was live streaming. He was playing this Pokemon card shop simulator. It's extremely similar to Supermarket Simulator, but you're running a Pokemon card store. So it was fun to watch him. And while I was sitting in there, I was working on a top for an order, actually. You've seen me working on this in clips. I just don't think I've actually talked about it. But I have this order. It's for a Valerie top and it is in progress. I've been working on it here and there in the car whenever I'm sitting in the living room and watching TV. So hopefully this will be done soon. This is for Lauren. I'm a liar. This is for Emily. Yeah, this is like my side project. I really want to get my order numbers down. So, I mean, I'm working on this diligently, don't get me wrong, but I just thought we would take a few hours today to make scrunchies and get that order number down. Anyway, that is all. I'm gonna finish these 3 scrunchies that go with this order of 8. And then after that, we have even more scrunchie orders. So don't worry, we're not gonna run out of things to do. This skein of Midnight Sea is super soft, and there's also like not as many sparkles in it, which is interesting. Like it is the sparkly one. Can you even see them? They're there. It's just a lot less sparkly than the other skeins. No, it's definitely there. I don't know. Interesting.
Yeah. If it truly was a mistake, she would have definitely just been like, let me...
Oh, bull crap.
Think about the pasta. Think about the pasta. Think about something.
Guys, I finished this order. So in total today we have 1, 2, 3, 4 orders done. Made myself a whole new list right here of colors that I need, and I grabbed them all and put them over here. So I'm gonna keep making scrunchies for the rest of the night. It is 9:30 right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna get all of these done, but I'm just gonna keep trucking. I am watching another Smosh Reddit video, so that will keep me entertained for sure.
And we're like, oh yeah, we don't care. Then it's like, who gives a crap? The problem is that she
About it every day. So that's where I was coming from. Yeah. But like, with all this.
Here's an order.
the way she treats me. He just laughed it off, saying his mother means well.
Here's an order. And I think we're done for today. It is 10 o'clock now. I had 4 more colors on my desk that I was thinking about making, and I could, but I have made lots of scrunchies today, and my hand also knows that we have made a lot of scrunchies today. So I'm gonna stop for the night and go to bed. So I'll see you in the morning. Hello, good morning. Yesterday, we put in the work. Now, we're gonna pack it up and wrap it up, okay? Here's how it's looking. All the scrunchies, I have them lined up by order. So we need to pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. And yeah, get rid of all these babies. Order for Lauren. Order for Sierra. Order for Julie. Order for Tamala. Order for Angela. And an order for Kathleen. Okay, well, that's done. And that's all I have for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope that you liked it. I feel like we got a lot done, especially yesterday, making all those scrunchies. So good job. Thanks for being here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below about whatever you like. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post on Mondays, Wednesdays, or Fridays. Go watch some of my other videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.